Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a kind of full face first impressions, even though it's not really all a full face. I've done some of my makeup already before I actually start, but most of it is just kind of face products, and then all the eyes are new products to try as well. So if you are interested in some of the products that I'm trying out today and want to know my first impression thoughts on them, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. So let's just excuse the hair because I've just had a shower and it's still wet, so let's just pretend it looks fabulous, okay? So as you can probably tell, I've already done my foundation, concealer, powder and brows because I haven't really got any new products in those categories to try, but I will tell you what I use. Some of them are fairly new, but I've used them on camera before. So I just used that LA Girl brow pencil that I don't really like, but I just want to use it up so I don't waste it. Primer, I used my Elcie Pearl Radiance primer, which I love. Foundation, again, something that I do really like right now, the Nars Radiant Longwear foundation, and I use the shade Barcelona. If you want to see a review on this foundation, then just check back a few videos and I did a whole kind of review and wear test on this guy. L'Oreal True Match Concealer in Golden, I believe. Golden Honey, that's the concealer, and then I just set everything down with some powder, and I use the Dermablend powder by Vichy, which I still love. So yeah, that's all that kind of base makeup done. I did just take the concealer on my lids to prime them for eyeshadow as well, and then I just set them with some powder also. But I just thought first impressions are usually quite long. Well, I usually watch quite long videos of them and I talk a lot, so I thought if I skip some of that out of the way, then we can just kind of breeze through the rest. I've got a bag full of stuff. Oh, no primer. Oh crap. And okay, this video's already gone to plot. Yeah, I had a new primer to try. It's the Revolution Pro Radiant Peach Primer. Oh, I'm an idiot. Next makeup tutorial that I do, I promise I'll use this and I'll let you know my thoughts on it. Let's just skip that out of the way and pretend I didn't mess up. I think I want to go on to eyes and just kind of get them out of the way. So I do have a new eyeshadow palette to try. I don't know how new this is, but I got it off the Revolution Pro, Makeup Revolution, whatever you're calling it, website. I placed an order on there, so I've got a few of their things. And this is, it says it's Makeup Obsession. I don't know, they have like a load of brands kind of under their tree of brands. Anyway, so this is their warm up eyeshadow palette, and I love the tones, I love the size of the pans. This was super affordable. I don't think it was more than £10, or maybe like just over £5 maybe. I can't really remember how much it was, but I love the tones. I think it's really nice for summer, nice and warm. So I have just swatched a few shades. I'm hoping they perform better on the eyes, put it that way. But obviously I don't care about swatches on kind of your body. I just want to see how it performs on the eyes. So we're going to test this first. I'm going to take this shade here. This is called Crave. It's just a nice matte brown, and I'm just going to use this as the transition colour. Got picked up on the brush, and there isn't like too much kick up in the pan, which is good. Nicely, it's not like just kind of chunked on. Bit down the lower lash line as well, because why not? I want to use this pink here. This one's calling to me. I really want to use this. So I think I might deepen up the crease with this shade here. It's called Flex. Please. And I'm just going to take that on a brush and just work it into the crease. A halo eye as well today. I'm feeling a halo eye. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Noise, and I'm just going to take it on my finger, give it a good swirl, and see this, like, it looks nice there, but I don't know, when I kind of swatched it for the first time, it didn't give off that much pigment, but we'll try it now. Oh, it looks, this is like more glitter actually. Wow, okay, so this kind of reminds me of that glitter shade that's in like Laura Lee's new eyeshadow palette. I don't know if anyone's seen that, but maybe that's why it didn't swatch that well when I tried it on my arm, because it's more like a glitter pigment, but I'm using it dry on the lid and it looks really nice. Look how nice that is. wetting it with a brush and seeing how it applies that way as well. Okay, so I've wet my brush and let's see. Oh yeah, that is so much more better than before. It just kind of glides on a lot more creamier as well when you use a wet brush. Now we're going to take this red shade here called Power, and I'm going to pop this kind of on the inner and outer part just to kind of blend the pink. Go back in with Crave, which was the first shade that I used, and just reblend that crease. Just quickly go finish the eyeshadow off in this eye and then I'll come back and do some eyeliner. Okay, so that was really easy to apply. I love this eyeshadow palette. And then I'm going to take the Revolution Pro Supreme Dip Liner. Have a black one and obviously a white one, but I'm just going to use the black one today because I am going out. I might save this for like a festival kind of look. Really easy to apply. It did have a very fine tip, so they're not joking when they say that. I'm just going to quickly apply some mascara and then we can move on to the face. So for highlighter off Beauty Bay, I got this little Ofra palette and it's just got 3 minis in. So it contains Blissful, Pillow Talk and Rodeo Drive. Use this one today, which is Rodeo Drive. I'm going to take that one. And I might mix a bit of Pillow Talk in it, maybe. And this was £25 for the palette of 3, and considering one, obviously a full-size one, is 25, I think this is really good, especially if you just want to try the highlights first. So for bronzer, I've kind of got 2 here that I've never tried before. I know which one I'm going to use though, because one's a new release and the other one's new-ish. One of them is the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer, but it's like the new, well, I think it is new anyway. It's like the chocolate gold, so it's like got a really nice sheen to it. But I've tried Too Faced bronzers before, so I might not use that one. What I might use instead is I've got some new stuff from Morphe. They've now got these little blush trios, which kind of look like the Anastasia ones, and then they've got little bronzer duos as well. They're called their brontours, so it's like a bronzer and contour kind of all in one. And this is the one that I got. I think they look so cute. This one's in the shade Celebutante. I think that's how you say it. So I think I might have just watched it if you can see it in the pan, but I think I might use this one today. Okay, that was very pigmented. Oh, that's really nice. Really nice. Then I got one of their blush trios as well, so I got the Pop of Peach one, obviously. What it looks like, I love it. I think I'm gonna mix kind of these two. This one's kind of got a sheen, that one's got a sheen, and that's just matte. So I'm gonna mix them. Ooh, that's pigmented. Have the final product, so a setting spray, which is very new to me, that I got was the Essence Glow To Go Illuminating Setting Spray. So I'm gonna try this today. That added like a pink highlight. I don't know, is that just me? It just looks a lot more pink around here, so I don't know. I'll keep trying this and test it out. For lips, Essence have these 2 kind of, well, not 2, but they have these new liquid lipsticks. I picked up 2 of them and I think I might go for this one or this one. I think I'm gonna go for this one. So this one is in the shade Nude Is the New Cute. Remind me of the L'Oreal ones, and it doesn't really say if they're matte or not actually, so I don't know. And that is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed today's testing video. Pretty much liked everything here on the Essence Glow one, I think, because it did literally leave like a pink highlight, and like looking on my desk, like I don't know if you can see it here, but like one of the Morphe little palettes, it's got like pink glitter. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's got like pink glitter on it. So I'm not the biggest fan of glitter, so I don't know how I'm gonna feel about the spray. Just need to shake it up a bit more and it might work just fine, but I'll keep trying it and then let you guys know. I think everything else was pretty much a success. I do enjoy most of this. I think my favourite thing was the eyeshadow palette. I was so pleasantly surprised by that. I love the eyeshadow and like the glitter pigment that they had in there. I think it was great and it's really affordable too. Thank you again so much for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh. There, I think the only thing I'm a tiny bit iffy about is this setting spray, because, not this one, wait, maybe I just need to, maybe I just